What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm be doing a little unboxing of the Pioneer DEH S6220BS. I had this radio before, it was great. I sold it with one of my cars that I flipped. It was probably the best radio I've had so far, and it's a budget friendly one. I was gonna get the cheaper version of it. It was the DEH S4220, I believe, but it was like a solid color one. I like to be able to change the colors on it, but and the buttons just felt cheap and not really like they would last very long. It's the mic, I believe. Yeah. Some wires. Some mounting stuff. Alright, here's the radio. Looking super clean. Yep, wiring harness, mic, mounting hardware, and that's it. Go ahead and get this installed and see how it is.